Whenever you feel lazy to cook, or when there's a small party at home, or when you get together with friends to watch a football match, you order it and it reaches you within minutes. What can that be? Yes, you're right, it's pizza. Welcome to Mystical Plateau with me, Rehnaz, and I'm here with a step by step process of making pizza in your kitchen. But before that, let me tell you about the origin of pizza. The modern pizza was born in 1889 when the chef named Rafael Esposito, who was from Naples, made a tricolor pizza to impress the Queen Margherita, and it was known by her name. And from then, the Margherita pizza was famous and known as the oldest pizza or the first pizza invented. It contained only tomatoes, cheese, and basil, which represented the flag of Italy. So let's get started with our Indian tricolor pizza. To prepare the dough, we need to first prepare the yeast. For it, take 1 teaspoon of yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar and half cup of lukewarm water. Mix it well and leave it aside for around 10 minutes. The sugar added acts as a food for the yeast and helps to get it activated. In a bowl, take 3 cups of maida or all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of salt and add the yeast and mix the flour well. If the yeast is not enough, then you need to add lukewarm water little by little and mix the flour well until you get a sticky dough. Now transfer the dough to the clean countertop where there is space for you to knead the dough well. Here you need little patience and time to get the best dough. And the best way to do it is by pulling the dough with your palm and bringing it back with your fingers. So knead it till you get a soft dough and it doesn't stick to your palm. Here we have our soft dough ready. Apply little oil on the bowl and also on the dough and cover it with a wet towel and leave it for about 4 to 6 hours in a warm place. Now to make the sauce, you need to blanch 4 tomatoes, remove the skin and grind it to a puree. If you don't have enough time, then you can grind the whole tomatoes and strain it to remove the skin. Now heat a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic and 1 finely chopped onion and saute it till it changes color. Add the pureed tomatoes and 1 finely chopped tomato to make it a little thick. Now close it and let it cook for 15 minutes on low flame till the tomatoes are very well cooked and it's soft and mushy. This add quarter teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, a pinch of garam masala and half teaspoon of mixed herbs. But since I don't have, I'm using fresh oregano, 1.5 teaspoon of tomato ketchup. Now mix all this and cook for about 2 minutes and our pizza sauce is ready. After 6 hours, the dough has risen to triple its size now. Just push the dough down and knead the dough all over again to make it even more softer. Sprinkle some flour on the counter and divide the dough into 4 equal parts. Take 1 portion of the dough and with the help of the rolling pin, flatten the dough to the size of the pan. Make sure that it is not very thick or very thin that it may get burnt. Now put the base onto the pan and prick holes with the help of a fork so that the dough does not rise when you cook it. Now apply a thick layer of the pizza sauce. Spread the sauce all over the base. And the topping is purely your choice. Since my kids love cheese, I'm adding a layer of cheese right on top of the sauce. And since I'm making a tricolor pizza, I'm adding carrots, grated carrots on the border. With that, I'm going to add a paneer or cottage cheese to give the white color. And for the green color, I'm going to add finely chopped capsicum. So there it goes, the tricolored pizza. It's orange, white and green. To bake the pizza, I'm keeping this pan on top of a preheated tawa so that the base does not get burnt. Now close with the lid and cook on a low flame for around 20 minutes. Now after 20 minutes, the cheese has already melted and it looks delicious. It looks yum. It's all cooked now. The base is very well cooked. Transfer it onto a serving plate. So with this dough, you can make 4 different types of pizza. The toppings is purely your choice or what your kids love. You can even add chicken to it and make it even more delicious. So friends, instead of spending money on ordering pizza, spend some time to make the most delicious pizza of their choice for your loved ones. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope you enjoy making a pizza on your own. Please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notification from Mystical Platter. Thanks for watching.